Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Room. I'm so happy to see you here again. Today's lesson is all about my daily routine in English. We all have our daily routines, things we do every day. In this video, I'll tell you my daily routine in simple English. You can learn new sentences and use them to talk about your own routine. So, stay with me till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to English Room for more easy English videos. All right, let's begin. Morning routine. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and sit up on my bed. Then I stretch and thank God for a new day. After that, I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Then I take a shower. After showering, I comb my hair and get dressed. Next, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs, and sometimes paratha and tea. I love tea in the morning. It helps me feel fresh and awake. While eating breakfast, I often listen to English podcasts or watch short English videos. This helps me improve my English a little every day. After breakfast, I pack my bag and get ready for work or school. At around 8:30, I leave home and go to work. Now, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Good job. You're doing great. Daytime routine. I reach my office at about 9 o'clock. When I arrive, I say good morning to my co-workers and start my work. I usually check my emails, plan my tasks, and attend meetings. Sometimes I talk to clients or write reports. At 1 o'clock, it's lunchtime. I usually eat lunch with my friends. We talk, laugh, and share stories. My lunch is usually rice and curry, or sometimes a sandwich and juice. After lunch, I go back to work and continue until about 5 o'clock. Then, I finish my work, turn off my computer, and go home. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I go to work at 9 o'clock. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Nice. Keep practicing with me. Evening routine. When I come back home, I feel a little tired. So first, I wash my hands and face, and then I take some rest. Sometimes I drink a cup of tea or coffee while relaxing. After that, I go for a short walk or do some exercise. It helps me stay healthy and feel fresh again. Then I take a shower and spend time with my family. We talk about our day, watch TV, or have some fun together. At around 8 o'clock, I eat dinner. My dinner is usually light, maybe rice, vegetables, or soup. After dinner, I sometimes read a book or watch English videos on YouTube. This helps me relax and also learn new English words. Now, let's practice again. I come home in the evening. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. I watch TV with my family. Well done. Night routine. At night, I like to prepare my things for the next day. I pack my bag, set my alarm, and make a to-do list. Before sleeping, I always pray and thank God for the day. Then, I go to bed around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Sometimes I listen to soft music or English stories before sleeping. That's my daily routine. Now you try. Think about your own day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? When do you go to work or school? Say it in English. Review time. Let's review what we learned today. Here are some useful sentences you can use. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to work at 9 o'clock. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I come home in the evening. I eat dinner at 8 o'clock. I go to bed at 10:30. You can use these sentences to talk about your daily routine easily. Outro, great job, my friend. Now you know how to talk about your daily routine in English. If you want to get better, try saying your routine every day in English. Practice makes you confident. If you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to English Room, and comment your daily routine below. I'll read your comments and reply to you. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Only on English Room. Bye-bye.